Welcome to Stow Car Company in Chelmsford. Stow Car Company is an RAC Approved BuySure retailer. That means all of our vehicles pass through a strict 82-point RAC check in addition to our own workshop inspections. All vehicles are supplied with a minimum of 6 months RAC Platinum Warranty in addition to 12 months RAC Roadside Assistance, both of which are included in the price. I do invite you to take a look at our hard-earned 5-star reviews on Google, Auto Trader, car dealer reviews, and also directly on the RAC website. We work very hard to maintain a 5-star rating. It doesn't happen by accident. We are very fussy with all of the vehicles here at Stow. And that is the main purpose of these video presentations, to demonstrate the overall cosmetic appearance. You can leave the mechanical side to us. It's my pleasure to present today this Ford Tourneo, which presents in very, very good condition. Full specification is listed in the advert itself. And as mentioned, the main purpose is to demonstrate the overall cosmetic appearance. Covered 31,200 miles from new, of course, has service history and does have both keys. Bodywork is in exceptional condition for the age and the mileage. It is virtually unmarked in every way. We will point out any mark or blemish that you should be aware of, but overall it presents in exceptional condition for the age. Looking along the driver's side, you'll notice there are no nasty ripples, dents, dings or scratches. The alloy wheel on the front here is unmarked. There's a little bit of oxidisation on the inner edge, to be expected and in line with mileage. Plenty of tread remaining on the tyre. There's a couple of very light stone chips here. They are light, but they are there. Obviously it's not a new vehicle, but if that's all I can find, we're doing pretty well. Can't see any nasty cracks in the windscreen. A couple of light surface stone chips there, but again, nothing to get too upset about. Very good order. It's certainly not been abused. It's in very good condition inside and out. No excessive wear on the seat base or the bolster. Steering wheel and buttons all look as they should. Smells fresh and clean as well. There's no scuffs that I can see on the kick plate and the door shut there. Same on the door card, there's no chunks out of trim, everything looks as it should. Making my way into the rear. As you can see, again, not being abused. It's exactly as you wish to find it. There's a little mark just there. Another one just there, but it's just on the inside. Rear panel, nothing to tell you. Again, same with this alloy wheel. On the surface, all absolutely fine. On the inner edge, a little bit of oxidisation. There's no cracks or marks in the rear light. Same on the bumper corner, nothing obvious to point out. As you can see, everything looks as it should. Making my way into the rear. It's certainly not been abused, as mentioned. All in very good order. 5 seats plus space for wheelchair or mobility scooter. As you can see, no scuffs, no dents, no dings, no scratches, nothing to report. Passenger side pretty much the same, struggling to find anything negative. There's a tiny little mark there that I think will polish out. As you can see down the passenger side, no ripples, dents or dings. Alloy wheel, once again, exactly the same as the others. On the front, absolutely fine, a little bit of oxidisation on the inner edges. Passenger side rear, again, nothing to tell you. No stains, no rips, no tears. Everything looks as it should. Passenger door, same. Can't see anything obvious. If I miss something very, very minor, it's certainly not deliberate. I always aim to point everything out so everyone knows exactly what they're coming to view or indeed collect. So a few light stone chips on the front end, but I am being over fussy. It's about all I can find. The vehicle does drive exactly as you'd expect it to as well. Overall presents exceptionally well for the age and the mileage. You can reserve this vehicle on the website. You can also apply for finance there, but you can, of course, do all of these things over the phone with us in the office if you prefer. You can WhatsApp us, email us, or indeed pick up the phone. This is Stow Car Company in Chelmsford, and this is the Ford Tourneo 5-seat wheelchair and scooter accessible vehicle.